Today I'm doing my weekly weigh-in video, plus I'm sharing 7 ways to increase willpower to lose weight. I've lost 127 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, so if you'd like to see what the willpower techniques I use to stay on track, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. On my weigh-in videos, I like to share some tips that have helped me lose 127 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. So this week I am going to share some tips that I've used to build up your willpower, and because a lot of people always ask me, how do you have so much willpower to stay on the program, to eat right, to lose all that weight, or to exercise, get my 10,000 steps in, drink my water. And it's kind of like a mindset that you need to undergo, and I just have some tips that I would like to share that may help you build up your willpower and help you find the success you need to stay on the Weight Watcher program like I have, losing my 127 pounds, and I hope they're nowhere to be found. Today I'm going to share my 7 top tips for having a willpower on a weight loss journey. And I will also, at the end of the video, I will share how much weight I lost this week. The number 1 tip I have used to increase willpower to stay on your program is to start your day off with good decisions and good habits that will set the tone for the rest of the day. Research has shown that your willpower levels are much higher early in the day. So if you schedule your exercise for the beginning of the day, you'll be more likely to get it done. And then it will make you more likely to stay on plan the rest of the day. Since your willpower levels decrease as the day goes on, at the end of the day, if you're overworked and tired, you just won't feel like doing the exercise or you eating right. You'll just grab the first thing that comes along. You'll sit on the couch and watch a movie, and you just won't get out and exercise. So use that to your advantage. Use the early part of the day to get the things in that you know are healthy habits, and that way you can build on that success of the day. My second tip for building up your willpower is to focus on one thing. You don't want to schedule a strict eating regime and a full-fledged exercise program all at the same time. You just won't keep up with it. You just have to take it in little bites and pieces and add on and build on from there. You just don't want to overwhelm yourself to do everything perfectly. You just want to do one thing at a time. My third tip for building up your willpower is to make small changes in your life. Each decision you make during the day is something that will affect your willpower. So if you choose water over soda, if you choose walking over sitting on the couch, you chose the protein over the carbs. All those little things are little decisions, and they will just build up into healthy habits, and then you will find that the more healthy habits you have, the stronger your willpower is. One of the big things on willpower is setting yourself up for success. So my 4th tip is to remove those temptations from your home. You have control over everything that's in your house. So if it's not there, you won't have that opportunity to make the wrong decision, and that will sabotage your weight loss results. So just get rid of those temptations. My 5th tip for building up your willpower is to surround yourself with support and like-minded people. You can use, maybe take a walk with a neighbor or a friend or a coworker. Use the internet for its possibilities of, I know when I'm on the program, I've always used YouTube channels. I've used the app on the Weight Watcher site called Connect, which you can read about what other people are doing and make your own comments and make a kind of connect up with them. And then I also have used Facebook groups, those kind of things. You'll find people that are doing the same thing you are. They're overcoming the same problems that you're overcoming or the same challenges, and you can find support from each other and help each other out, and it's just a great way to build up your willpower. When you read about other people's success, you can think about it. If they can do it, so can you. My sixth tip involves stress. Willpower definitely has shown that it decreases as your stress levels increase. So try to find ways to decrease the stress in your life. Use self-care techniques. Do something for yourself that makes you feel good, keeps your mind off of your stress, and you will find that your willpower levels increase and you're more likely to make those correct decisions. It's like if you're really tired or if you're really hungry, those are the points in time when you make those bad decisions that decrease your willpower levels. My last tip for increasing your willpower is to make small goals and keep on going after them, trying to achieve them. You just don't want to focus on the large picture. You want to focus on each small step or each small goal, and that way you won't feel overwhelmed. And then you just achieve those goals, you reward yourself at a later point, and then you just keep on going and you build on that. And all these 7 tips will help you increase your willpower levels, which will help you stay on your program, get back on track, and you will find that they will help you out there. So I hope you found these tips helpful. On the scale this week, I wanted to let you know that I lost 2 pounds for the week. So that brings it up a total of 127.9 pounds, which is almost 128 pounds. So I have 53.1 pounds to reach my goal weight of losing 181 pounds. So I just wanted to share those tips with you. Please put a comment below what you do to maintain your willpower or any tips you have that helps you with your willpower levels. I really like to read what everybody has to say. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!